It's been months since the fires tore through Altadena in early 2025, and honestly, a lot of it still looks like this. Burned down buildings, empty lots. Not much has been rebuilt yet, but there's a real sense that the community here isn't giving up. You'll see signs in windows reminding everyone, Altadena is not for sale. And then you'll find a place like Miya, quietly doing something special. It's small, local, and feels like exactly what this town needs right now. For us, they might serve the best Thai dish in all of LA. Watch until the end to see where we went for dessert that helped us beat the heat.
They have outdoor seating, so we took advantage of the shade that's here and these cute little tables with the iconic Thai tables setting. And we got some delicious food today, so I can't wait to try it. I am salivating.
It's crazy, even though we're out here, we could smell it.
The curry is so fragrant. The coconut milk smells so good. Ooh, they use thicker noodles here. And this is the consistency of a proper khao soy. A little bit watery, not too thick. I need to taste the soup first. Oh, so good. And I need the lime. It comes with some giant pieces of chicken. It has a little bit of red onions, some crispy noodles, some flat egg noodles. The noodles on the softer side. The real star to me is this soup right here. And because of that lime, it just makes it even better. So it's a creamy soup, creamy curry, coconut soup, and adding the lime gives it that acid. Let's see how this chicken is. Oh, so tender. This is so good. Eating out here in the heat gives us an authentic Thailand experience. I think this is my favorite khao soy.
Oh, I do like the consistency of this. It's so good. I think the noodles do have a really good consistency. The soup and the curry coats it nicely. And it's not very spicy. We asked for medium. I think medium is perfect.
We could have done more.
Like a really, really big piece of chicken. Very meaty. How's this so tender? It's really nice. I think it's perfect. This might be our winner, our khao soy winner. And it was an additional $3 for the fried egg.
And the way that they fry it is Thai style, which it curls up a little bit, extra crispy.
There's some green and red bell peppers, onions, and basil on the inside.
Holy basil.
It's lightly sweet. It's very smoky. I really like the char and the smokiness of it. Oh, and this one has a good spice. If you look towards the bottom has a little bit more of the sauce. It's a little bit more liquidy. Should we break the egg?
Yes. Whoa, whoa.
Only you could hear this crispiness. So far, I would say that this has been a perfect meal. The egg just makes it even better.
Morning glory, it's a vegetable. In Chinese, we call it ong choy. It's spicy and it has a fishy taste to it too.
Yeah, and I think there's some garlic pieces. The stem parts are actually very nice and soft, but it still has a snappy crunchiness and garlicky.
Get this out of here. I need my spoon. I love this bowl of rice. It makes me happy when I see a bowl of rice. It's a flavor bomb. Medium is a good amount of heat. It lingers on your tongue, but I feel like I can do more. I'm gonna drench my rice in the sauce. Oh my gosh. We have some morning glory I need to try. Compared to this, the morning glory is not spicy. I love the stem, and I also love the leafy part, but the stem is so crunchy. And in the leafy parts, they soak up all the sauce, and it's just so flavorful. I know I mentioned that it might be a little fishy, but this one's not. It has like a savory, garlicky flavor to it. And then this one also has like a stark soy sauce with some maybe sweet soy sauce and oyster sauce. That's what makes it delicious. We just told the waitress that this is our favorite khao soy, and she was so happy.
Yeah, because it really is.
I love this place. If you guys have the chance to come visit Altadena, it might be a little bit far from maybe some of you, but it's worth it. It's worth the visit. And everyone's so nice there, and the interior is so cool. Memorabilia and retro vibes in there. There's like a TV, like a tube TV, like a mini one that's like showing some kind of commercial.
In addition to that, service is extremely fast. We were here on Saturday right when they opened, pretty much at 11, and the food came out within 5 minutes.
Thank you, Miya, for existing.
So what's the story about this place?
They do pop-ups. They use their ice that's flown in from Japan. It's a whole process that I do not know anything about. But I just know it's beautiful because the ice is like super clear.
You have to pre-order this, right?
Reservation. It's a very limited amount that they make.
And a couple of different...
Flavors. I'll paste it right here. But if you want to follow them for their next pop-up, follow them on their IG. Ooh, what is this syrup? I added ice cream on the inside.
You gotta make your way to it though.
It's like so fluffy. It tastes like I'm eating a white peach. It's so fluffy. I don't really taste the yuzu though. They have a chichirango on top. I think the cream is yuzu. Yeah, so happy. So happy right now.
Everything in it is like so light. Like the cream is light and the ice is light. And it's like your favorite thing, how it's not sharp.
And it's not too sweet.
Oh, this is good. The inside is good.
Yeah, the ice cream.
Is it ice cream or is it like a jelly? It's like a yuzu
Oh yeah,
jelly?
there's jelly. Yeah.
Oh, it's really good. It's the most flavorful, lightest thing possible. I mean, it's like the only way to describe it.
It looks really plain, but it's honestly a flavor bomb. So for the price of this one, I added ice cream, which is $1 more. So this with tip is $18. Would you say it's worth it?
Oh, this is 1000% worth it. You're not gonna find anything quite like this.
You know what it is? I think you were like scooping it like this. You need to scoop it and eat it. Don't like mix it or else it's gonna melt faster. All right, we're stuffed and we're happy because we had some delicious Thai food and we had some delicious kakigori. But if you're wondering what else is in Pasadena, you should check out this playlist here.